5 years that I've had my YouTube channel, Inkquiring Minds, I've used a combination of different mics, from the mic that's on the iPhone camera that I'm using to this inexpensive lavalier wired mic that goes into the lightning port of my iPhone, to this wireless clip-on microphone that has a lightning connector to go to my iPhone, and finally to my Fi-Fi microphone, which I'm using for most of my audio now and is actually very nice. But I really wanted a wireless option for a while, and this hasn't really cut it, this inexpensive Chinese called No-Fin. It's very convenient, rechargeable, but the audio that comes from it sounds like I'm underwater. This mic is pretty good, but again, I want a wireless solution. So I finally bit the bullet and bought a Shure wireless microphone system called the Shure Me, and I'm going to unbox it right now. So it's just come by Amazon, and let's open it up. And here we have the Shure Wireless Me. I don't know whether that's Me or ME. It says great audio every time. It has a transmitter and a receiver, and of course it's by Rode. And one of my best audio mics has been for years a Rode mic that I use for recording my guitar and my vocals. The back, it says great audio every time, and it has the box contents, the transmitter receiver, an SC21 USB-C to Lightning, a USB-C to USB-C, 2 fur windshields, which we usually call dead cats, 1 carry pouch, a 3.5mm TRS to TRS, and then a TRRS to TRS cable, 3.5mm. Take the seal, and let's look at the bottom here. And it's designed and made in Australia. It's the home company of Rode. Save this to eat later. The carry case, accessories, and the transmitter and receiver. Look at this carry case. It's actually nice, nylon with Velcro. Just a simple pouch. Let's look through the accessories. There are TRS. This is the TRS-S to TRS. This is my lightning cable. I'll need that. We have our regulatory and safety guide, USB to USB, and the TRS to TRS, and 2 dead cats. Let's take a look at the transmitter receiver. Next generation wireless audio, and they look almost identical to each other, except for the fact that the transmitter, which clips to your body, and it shows a little indicator there, clip this on your lapel, transmitter. The transmitter has a 3.5mm jack on it, and the receiver does not. So if you can't tell the difference, leave those stickers on because it says RX and TX. And these are glass front, and there's a small peel off here to protect the glass, but then of course this clips to your body and you'll have that wireless ME facing forward. So I'm going to peel that off. Still has the transmitter wireless ME and the Rode icon on the front. Peel this one off so you can tell the difference between the two. They both have clips. This one goes on your camera, as you can see, and that clip will actually fit into the hot shoe of a camera. And this goes on your clothing, clipping to your shirt or your lapel. So what I'd like to do is do an audio test and test the difference between my inexpensive $30 lavalier mic directly into my iPhone, the Chinese wireless transmitter receiver from No-Fin, my Fi-Fi desk mic, and the Rode wireless ME system. We'll do some audio tests and see how it turns out. And also I just noticed in the box with these 2 stickers, so you can cover up that very loud logo on there. And I think I'm going to do that. Put this sticker on the transmitter so it doesn't show up on my camera quite so brightly. So There's that sticker over the front of the transmitter. That won't be quite as obtrusive on camera. Now let's do some audio tests. So this is the Fifine mic, and it's just sitting on my desktop, and I've got my mouth about 2 inches away from the capsule. I've got some background noise going, a computer fan and a furnace running, so you'll have that background noise for each of these tests. And this is the mic from the iPhone 13 Plus with the same background noise as you heard with the Fifine. This is my Chinese Bluetooth wireless microphone system from Nofin. This was about $40 on Amazon. And I've got the mic on my lapel just under my chin. And finally, this is the Rode Wireless Me. And I've got the transmitter just under my chin on my lapel, the same background noise as the previous samples. All of these audio samples will be unprocessed, and I'm editing this video in DaVinci Resolve 18. I'm going to listen to the samples, and then I'll come back with my conclusions on this new purchase. So I've listened back to the samples in DaVinci Resolve 18, and here are my thoughts on this Rode ME microphone. The samples were unprocessed in DaVinci. Each mic's level was constant in my iPhone video capture software, which is Filmic Pro. What you're hearing now, however, is the Rode ME wireless system with some basic processing to boost the gain and do some basic EQ, compression, and limiting. With the level increased, you can hear how excellent the signal-to-noise ratio is on this microphone. I was thinking I would only use the Rode when I was doing face-on camera work, but to continue to use my Fifine desk mic for overhead camera work during my fountain pen reviews. But whenever I move things on my desk, I get quite a rumble through the mic. And also when I turn my head away like this, I lose mic volume. So I'm going to use the Rode now for everything and use the Fifine mic for my live stream events. As to the Rode ME, it isn't cheap, although I waited until there was a significant deal on Amazon to purchase this one. The Rode ME has been on my wish list for at least a year, and this is the lowest price I've seen so far at $169 Canadian or $150 US. An additional transmitter can be purchased and connected using the Rode app, and those are around $80 US. The mic sounds great, as you can hear, and it connected to my iPhone and just worked instantly. My iPhone asked me to download the Rode app, which I did. The Rode app lets you check the status of both the transmitter and the receiver and make optional changes. On the receiver, you can turn on the onboard mic so the person behind the camera can record into the audio stream as well. If you have a second transmitter, it can be paired on the Rode app. You can check battery levels and change the brightness of the LEDs, which is useful for on-camera work. The Rode ME uses Series 4 2.4 GHz digital transmission for crystal clear recording with over 100 meters or 300-foot range. It has high-quality microphones built into both the transmitter and the receiver. It works seamlessly with cameras, computers, and iPhone or Android smartphones. The inbuilt lithium-ion rechargeable batteries last up to 7 hours of broadcast time, and it can connect to an additional transmitter for capturing 3 microphones simultaneously. The transmitter isn't as discreet as wearing a wired lavalier microphone. You can try to hide it under your shirt, but the sound gets muffled. I'm glad they provided the blackout stickers, but it would have been nice to have just a plain blackout sticker without the Rode logo. But then people would be asking what brand of wireless system you're using all the time. The carry pouch is very nice, but it only fits the 2 main units and 1 cable without crowding. I'm very happy with this purchase. It isn't inexpensive, but good sound never is. Rode is just one of the best microphone manufacturers in the world, and the quality of this mic is no exception to that quality reputation. I've been using my Rode NT1A large diameter condenser microphone for recording vocal and guitar audio for nearly 10 years now, and it's just a brilliant microphone. And so far I'm very pleased with this Rode ME. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.
I made this.